we've still got a lot of cost involved with setting this up. So
Mhm.
there is a lot of extra cost that sits on top of the business. So although we might have a big margin in terms of like cost of goods, and that sort of side of things, you don't necessarily get that. Like you're not seeing or you're not realizing all of that profit at the end of it. You're actually still got a lot of investment that you made initially to try and get to that point. So we're sitting there trying to pay that back. It's
Mhm.
meaning that we're able to keep our costs lower, but it's like by how much? And then there's all these other things that go into different sites, and it's honestly we are cheaper, but it's not by as much as what the industry is saying that we are cheaper. I think the bigger point is that we can provide a speed advantage. And so obviously time is money. So you are still providing some sort of benefit. But ultimately, if you're building faster, that means more buildings can be put out there, which is then ultimately going to provide more opportunities for people to get into these buildings, which at the end of the day is why we started Macro 3D in the first place. It
Mhm.
was looking around going, how how are my friends going to afford to buy houses
Mhm.
when everything's so expensive and we're making $45,000 a year? You got $45,000 a year in a 700 grand home, like that math doesn't math.